Hey everybody, I'm going to do some stock lock Sunday here, and so we're going to do a kick cylinder. It's a Schlage keyway, and I'm going to be using this 3D printed holder for the kick cylinder. These are kind of hard to hold. I don't like picking a vise if I can help it. Shout out to Dev who actually makes these, and I'll link one of his videos up in the corner here. Guy's a pretty damn good lock picker, and a hell of a nice guy too, actually. So, let's see if we can get this guy open here. I don't have a key to this, so I'm sure we'll have a hard time believing that after most of my videos recently. So maybe if I actually get this open, maybe I'll rekey it. This guy's got all standard pins in it, of course, which I don't get a lot of feedback from. When you're picking spools and stuff all the time, you kind of know where you're at. Standard pins get kind of lost, but anyway, it is open. And I guess we can gut it real quick. Why not? Show you this too. It's something else Dev made. That's for mortise cylinders. Kind of neat. Grab my cap tool here and be careful not to let it lock back here. And so we're pitting up 5. These are all going to be just standard pins. So I'm not going to make a key. I'm just going to rekey it. So all pretty close to the same size pins there. That probably would have raked open pretty easily. So that's what we got for key pins. I just manhandle the camera around. And then drivers are going to be all standard too. I almost don't want to gut this because I just realized if I gut it, I've got to put it back together, but that's fine. So I'm just going to have all standard drivers is what's going to be in this, guys. This is how they come from the distributor, just stock pins and regular old brass springs. So I guess that'll do it for this edition of Stock Lock Sunday. And if you guys haven't subscribed, do that, please. Thank you very much. And also check out Deb's video here. I think the one I'm going to link is his video on how medicos work. It's a super cool video, so that'll be at the beginning of this video, and I'll throw it up here at the end too. So that'll do it for this edition of Stock Lock Sunday, and we'll talk to everybody later.